Is up and welcome back, everyone. Today we are headed down to Minneapolis to move some snow with the guys from Snow Pros. We are clearing the sidewalks and yeah, so basically what happens, long story short, before we get in the truck and head out, is the city contracts them to clear sidewalks of residents and people that didn't clear their own sidewalk. It's a safety hazard, so they contract them to clear them, and then they put it onto that resident's taxes to pay for it. So pretty slick deal. But we're gonna head down there, we're gonna check it out, we're gonna film some stuff for them, and we're gonna make a YouTube video at the same time. So let's get down there.
So do they want you to try to work it in until you can get everything clear and then leave, or?
Usually, but sometimes we'll just salt it and come back.
Come back?
This one's not bad. Like yesterday, we get some that are like, I'd say over 50% of them are like 6 inches thick of ice.
Oh, okay.
And if you can't get them up right then, you put up salt on them.
Come back. But...
Yeah.
So this one you'll try to get clear so you don't have to come back then, if possible?
Yeah, I mean, no matter what, we always got to come back to get, well, we have to come back to get after this.
Oh, do you? Okay.
But the salt is thing, you know, you'll spend, and come back and spend 5 minutes there just
yeah,
up some slush.
Instead of fighting it now.
Yeah, spend 3 hours.
Makes sense.
Right now what we're doing is clearing the sidewalks like I was saying. They've got the little ASV out here, so what we gotta do is they're trying to just scrape it right now, but basically if it's not, or if it's straight ice like it is in a lot of places, they'll just throw a bunch of salt on it and come back later. So they had a crew come out here yesterday because it was just straight ice, salted it, broke it up a little bit. Now they're just gonna scrape it right off. All right, so basically what they're trying to accomplish right now is just get it wide enough here, get some of the heavier stuff off with the skid. I'm gonna throw some calcium chloride salt mix down, and hopefully with the sun right now, that's gonna melt it pretty quickly, and then we might try to scrape it off again right now. If it doesn't melt really quick, I'm gonna come back later, let it melt a little bit, come back later, scrape it off clean. The city is actually really picky with these sidewalks. It's pretty surprising. Really picky, so they gotta get them really, really good. These guys are super good though. They're doing a super detailed job, super high quality. All right, so you can see it's starting to melt, but it's not really melting super fast, so we're just gonna let it sit and chain her down. We're gonna head up to the next one, keep moving here, end up looping back around at the end, clean it up. So let's keep moving.
So you were saying the city gives them a notice, 24 hours to do it? What?
3 days.
3 days? What do? They just like leave a note or something, or?
I guess they mail them.
They mail them?
That's what they say.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know why they don't put them on the door.
Since
Since they're already here to flag it.
This lady doesn't look like she's got their mail in a while, or whoever.
Oh yeah.
Here's the notice there.
Everyone just said it.
Oh yeah, I'm not paying for it. I can see it now. You try to put more chloride in it when it's heavier like this, or?
I like to mix it because if you watch the calcium, it disappears as it goes down.
The salt
So
will
if you
stick
mix
around.
it keeps everything wet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We just started doing that a little bit ago. It seems to work really good.
Best of both worlds then.
Yeah, 'cause I mean, if you use just salt, it doesn't go into the ice.
Yeah.
It's like the calcium melts right through it, and then the salt breaks it apart.
That's what I noticed, like that one we down south or whatever, when you hit the one, it was like there's still chunks of calcium. They didn't like disperse into the rest of it and melt and
In like 5 minutes, you probably won't even be able to really see the calcium.
yeah.
And then that's where it needs to refreeze it.
Yeah.
right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. We just got done with the last one here. Well, I did. I'm taking off. Threw some salt on it. They're going to loop back around eventually, hit it again. But basically right now they are bringing the machine back, and then they're going to loop back, hit the ones that we missed last time. And yeah, so we're out of here. But basically, pretty simple process. Just get there, identify what the situation is, and then from there, figure out how you're going to address that, and off you go. So we will catch you guys in the next video.